You are making a rectangular fence. The length is 4 less than 3 times the width. Write a polynomial that represents the area of the rectangular fence. Find the area of the fence with the width when the width is 20 yards. We are going to break this down. First, we know it's a rectangular fence. What does that tell us? There's going to be 2 sets of opposite sides that equal each other. So this side is going to equal that side, and this side is going to equal that side. All right, the length is 4 less than 3 times the width. Let's rewrite this from words to a mathematical equation. So length is represented by L. There. 4 less, that means minus 4. All right. 3 times, there we go. And then width, it's represented by the letter W. All right, so the length is, that means L equals, and then we got to figure out what L equals. So 3 times the width, pretty self-explanatory, 3 times W, right? Which we know can also be written as just 3W. It's the exact same thing. And then it is the length, so L equals 4 less than what we just said to be 3W. So we could rewrite that as 3W minus 4. There we go. Let's slide this down. There we go. So again, L equals 3W minus 4. We just rewrote that sentence using a mathematical representation. Now let's get into part 1 of the quick question. It says write a polynomial that represents the area of the rectangular fence. We know that the area of a rectangle, area is represented by capital A, and the area of a rectangle is length times width. There we go. And then we can substitute this equation here. Remember, this was given to us. We just rewrote it. This was given to us. We can substitute that in for this area equation down here. And we get area equals 3W minus 4 times width. We are just simplifying this equation for L. Again, 3W minus 4 times W. Now we have to distribute to both terms in the parentheses here to simplify. So 3W times W gives us 3W squared, and then 4 times W gives us 4W. So A equals 3W squared, and then it was minus 4W. There we go. So that is our polynomial that represents the area for our rectangular fence. For part 2, it asks us to find the area of the fence when the width is 20 yards. So we are going to use the polynomial we just created, A equals 3W squared minus 4W, using this new information that they gave us. That is the width, remember represented by W, is 20 yards. The W equals 20 is the new piece of information that is given to us. And then as we did before, we're just going to use this and plug it in to our W's here. So we get A equals 3 times 20 squared minus 4 times 20. There we go. And then we can solve. So 20 squared is 400 times 3 gives us 1200. Area equals 1200. And then 4 times 20 is 800, so minus 800. And then simplify once again. So 1200 minus 800 gives us 400. And there we have it. Our area, when the width is 20 yards, is 400.